Okay, so today we are going to be looking at another Baseus product. This is the interestingly named Bend Angle Number 7 Type-C hub. So this is specifically designed for the Apple iPad Pro series, and as you can see, there's two variants. This has the upgraded power switch design, which is right there, and it has something called bent hanging function, which I'll explain shortly, but there's a good idea of how it goes. Normal Baseus quality control stuff. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So that's the sleeve. Increased to 6 ports, upgraded version is easier to use. So there's two versions for this, like I said. This one has this is the high spec model, so normal Baseus information, operating manual, but it is pretty simple. And there's the actual hub itself. So nice quality finish on this one. And a cable, and these are rubberized pads which increase or decrease the thickness based on if you're using a Magic Keyboard or a Smart Folio keyboard or nothing at all. So they give you two very nice pads in there, spacers, and here is the actual hub itself. So you have a USB-C connector on the side with a cap, which is nice of them. This plugs into the iPad, and then the cable just hangs on the side and then opens up these ports. So Type-C multifunctional hub adapter, Type-C to HDMI plus USB 3.0 times 2 plus TF card or micro SD card plus PD, which is power delivery. So you have the micro SD port, you have the HDMI out, two USB 3.0s, a USB charging port or extra USB port, and a 3.5mm audio jack. So this is the speaker grill pass-through, so that clips onto the side. Then you have the micro SD and HDMI. So I'll open up an iPad Pro 12.9. And if I can get it down. So I'll just raise the camera up slightly. I'll just unlock it. I can't be bothered unlocking. So this one clips onto the side here. Now I have protected this iPad quite a bit, so this actually does not fit without any spaces. This is because I have a tempered glass screen protector, a vinyl wrap on the back of the iPad, the Smart Folio keyboard, the Magic Keyboard, and this actually has a wrap on the back, so it is quite precisely machined with that cutout, so it doesn't actually clip onto the side, but otherwise it would just hang there if you don't have all the protective things on it. So otherwise it just hangs there, but otherwise it just plugs in here. This one has the active switch, so you can turn it on or off to reduce power consumption. And then you have a blue indicator here indicating the hub is active, or you can turn it off and the hub symbol goes away. Turn it on and it will start actively powering this. So you can plug in a USB Type-C charger, and then that will charge straight through to the iPad, no problem. So that is an overview of this. If you do, like I said, if you do have a normal iPad, you can clip this in no problem and use it normally. I'll leave it at that.